Okay, it's that time of year, pumpkin spice season. Now you're either a lover of pumpkin spice or you hate it. Well, this recipe, I think everyone's gonna love. Let's get cooking. Before we get started, please remember to like this video if you enjoy it, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is brew your coffee. It doesn't matter how you brew it, whether it's French press or instant, whatever it is, make sure you use a half a cup of hot water. While your coffee's brewing, in a separate mug, add in your pumpkin puree. Now you can buy pumpkin puree from the store, but if you want to be extra special and make it like I do, then go ahead and click in the description below and check out how I make my pumpkin puree. It tastes so good. It's much better than the store-bought brands. Add in your monk fruit sweetener. Now in this recipe, I like to have 2 teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener because I feel like it's the perfect ratio of sweetness to flavor. It's so good, but you can have as much or as little sweetener as you'd like. Next, add in your vanilla. So I'm using vanilla bean powder today because I feel like it has the best flavor, but you can use vanilla paste or even vanilla extract if you don't have any of the others. Now, time for the heart and soul of this recipe, pumpkin spice. And to make it a little extra festive, I'm going to add in a little bit more cinnamon because I love cinnamon so much. By now, your coffee should be brewed, so go ahead and add that into your mug and take a portable milk frother, or you can add it into your blender and mix it all together. If you have a milk frother that both heats up the milk and froths it, go ahead and grab it because you're going to need it. Now, if you don't have that, that's fine. You can heat up the milk in the microwave. That's totally fine as well. But it's better if you have a milk frother. Anyway, go ahead and add in your almond milk. Now, I make a really, really good creamy almond milk. If you want to try that, click the video in my description below and it'll take you straight to it. It's delicious. Or you can just buy it from the store if you don't have time to make it yourself. Now, add in your cream. Now you might be wondering, why am I using almond milk, but I'm also using cream? Well, almond milk is a lot lower in carbohydrates compared to dairy milk, but also cream doesn't have as many carbohydrates in it either. So if you put the two together, it makes for a really delicious keto-friendly mix. So definitely try this if you can. Now, if you are lactose intolerant, you can leave out the cream, that's totally fine. It just may not be as creamy. Now that that's all mixed through, it's time to add in your warm milk. Then you're going to mix it all up. While mixing, go ahead and add in your hot water. Add a little bit of whipped cream, a little dash of cinnamon, and you're good to go. You've got a delicious, low-carb treat that you can enjoy this pumpkin season. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.